Hi everyone, it's me again. I just wanted to walk you through a little bit of this first module so everyone knows what's going on with this course. I have some special instructions for it. I don't want anyone to get confused. So just a quick little bit of instruction on it. This course, if you've looked through it already, you know is based on modules. And when we run the modules, click on modules. The first module has a bunch of resources that are general to the class that you might want to use at any time, and then the rest of the modules are consecutive. The January 17th, 21st module is this first one, and there are a couple of things that I want to point out. First, this video will be contained within the modules instruction video webpage here, so if you want to get to this video, you must have had to have come from here. There's a course overview quiz. What I need you to do is review the syllabus especially, but also the front page, the home page of the module, of the Canvas module, of the Canvas website. Review things, and then there'll be a quick quiz on it. The quiz has no time limit, so I think you should be able to score well on this, but you will need to explore a little bit to get the answers. The second major assignment for this module is some essays on an assigned reading. What I'd like you to do is I need to give you some instructions on how to best do that, because it is a timed quiz. So what you'll need to do is read, click on this read before taking the writing quiz. This is listed as an assignment, but it was the only way I could get this information in here all at once. It's not really an assignment. There's no points associated with this in particular, but the quiz itself does have points associated with it. So what you'll need to do is download this article by Daryl Bem and read it at your leisure. It's about writing the empirical journal article, and then there's a quiz on the reading that will take about 60 minutes, and it is timed, and you only have one chance to do it. So I've given you down below here 2 of the questions that you'll need to answer in that quiz, and what I would recommend you do is you prepare answers for these 2 questions as you've done the reading offline. Do it through Word or whatever, but not while you're actively engaged in the quiz. You can develop those answers and then cut and paste them into the quiz once you take it. And then the third question is live, and you'll have to take that at quiz time, and it's something I want you to do within the time frame of the hour that you have to complete the quiz. It won't take that long. My guess is most of you will probably get done within 20 to 30 minutes, but you'll have a whole hour to complete the quiz. But you need to review these instructions here before you start that quiz, because otherwise, once you start the quiz, it will be on time, and you'll have to complete it, otherwise you'll run out of time. So these 2 questions I would prepare in advance, and again, cut and paste them, copy them into the quiz once you go back to the module and start the quiz itself here with a little rocket ship. So once you click on this, the timer starts, and you'll have 3 questions you have to answer. I've provided you with the 2 questions. Then there's a third question that's a surprise. The last thing is I've also embedded in here the interesting thing about you, or the link to that discussion board that I talked about in my introductory video on the home page. So anyway, that's all for now. If there's any questions about this assignment, or any question about any assignments or other things on Canvas, please use the course Q&A discussion board. This will allow everyone to see the questions posed and the answers to them, because they're probably of interest to everyone. Remember, there are no silly questions. Again, use that course Q&A discussion board as your first source to maybe see or try to find an answer to your question, and if it's not there, pose it, and I will get to these as quickly as possible. So good luck with this first module. Let me know if you have any questions.